Ready to unlock the secrets of Belgium's booming property market and thrive as a realtor. First, understand the lay of the land. Belgium's real estate market is diverse, with different regions like Flanders, Wallonia, and Brussels capital region having unique regulations and property preferences. Research thoroughly before specializing. Next, get to grips with local regulations. Belgium has strict rules about property ownership, taxes, and building permits. Familiarize yourself with the Code Wallon de l'Amu Copyright du Territoire, de l'Urbanisme, du Patrimoine et de l'Énergie in Wallonia, or similar regional codes for Flanders and Brussels. Ignorance is not bliss when it comes to Belgian real estate law. Now, master the cultural nuances. Belgians value direct communication, but also appreciate politeness and respect for their privacy. Be patient, build trust, and always present yourself professionally, remembering that negotiation styles can differ between regions. Time to connect with clients. Leverage online real estate portals popular in Belgium, such as Immoweb or Logissimo. Actively participate in local networking events and build relationships with notaries, lawyers, and other key players in the Belgian real estate scene. Don't forget about language. Belgium has 3 official languages: Dutch, French, and German, while English proficiency is relatively high. Presenting your marketing materials and communication in at least Dutch and French will significantly broaden your reach and show respect for local customs. Embrace technology. Offer virtual tour, use CRM systems to manage client relationships, and leverage social media to showcase properties and build your brand. Staying ahead of the curve will help you stand out in a competitive market. Finally, remember that collaboration is key. Build relationships with other realtors, share knowledge, and consider forming partnerships to expand your reach and expertise. The Belgian real estate market can be complex, and teamwork can make the dream work.